Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. So happy I can finally talk. Thank you guys so much for your patience. But let's dive right into today's update here for Ethereum. So, right now we are trading at $1,287. 24-hour volume, we're up 109%. Market cap, we fell down at 0.60%. So, let's head over to our chart now. So, heading over to our weekly chart, I'm going to go again on our daily chart and then immediate short term for 2 hours. But I have missed so much action in the last couple of weeks or so, or a couple of days. I think it's been a week since I've last posted since my surgery. But if we take a look at our candlestick patterns itself, the bodies of the candlesticks are minimal, very, very small. We can see the tail of our candlestick so far in this week has extended all the way here as a low of 1,155. But what's more alarming here for Ethereum and the overall market for the Ethereum coin here is that we haven't actually came up and retested our 20 moving average. We can see again some rejections on this line, which looked really promising and trying to break through this area of resistance, but we didn't even come closer to this. Now, what we can see here on the RSI has crossed over and initiated a buying opportunity. However, the momentum of our MACD is slowing down. We are not most likely going to come up and retest it. If we are going to come down in our MACD indicator here, and we can see that the strength of it is very minimal, and we may actually be flipping from our green over to our red, which essentially means we're going to be moving further apart from this moving average here. And as we can see, we are channeling in our Bollinger Bands as they are narrowing, meaning that there is going to be lower volatility. Price is going to move in consolidation phase from resistance here at the 1459, coming down to an area of support at 1150. So that is here update for our weekly. Let's head over to our daily chart. Now here we already saw the drop happen today. As we can see this long tail at the very bottom of our range of our candlestick outside of our Bollinger Bands. And again, we can see Bollinger Bands are squeezing in, initiating a possible consolidation where price is going to come up to resistance and coming down to an area of support. We can see this area of point of interest, a high confluence area around this area of volume. We can see this point here on our volume indicator at 1329. So even if price is going to spike up as the volume is increasing, as our MACD indicator here again hopefully does increase because we are getting closer with the lines together. Our signal line and our MACD line is getting closer together. Lower volatility here. We may actually only see a high at 1306, until we see momentum is building up on our MACD indicator. But do be prepared again for Ethereum to consolidate, hitting resistance and hitting support. Here is our resistance here again at the 1308. We do essentially need to come up and retest this, but most importantly here, close above the 20 moving average if we do want to see the primary trend from bearish market to a bullish market. All right, so we can be able to see here on a 2-hour time frame, more refined in our candlesticks. I do have an area here for an area of support. The reason why I have this area here is because we are considered to be overbought. Higher volatility into play here as the Bollinger Bands are expanding. Higher volatility, more of a risk, and price is going to move fairly quickly here. We do see our moving average 50, so 50 moving average has been treated as good areas of resistance. So take a look at here in a 2-hour time frame, always hitting resistance at these peaks. And of course, we see the crossover of our RSI initiating a selling opportunity at this area of resistance. So truth again, it's going to repeat itself here. Crossover already initiating that we are considered to be overbought, and we are closer to our 50 moving average here. So most likely we're not going to close above it. And already we can see the candlestick itself, the volume itself, and the candlestick range is mainly at the very bottom. So basically we're engulfing the previous candlestick. Selling pressure is going to be on. So here we have in my rectangle box is our area of support, roughly around 1274 to 1265. Because the RSI is going to come back down, we are going to anticipate price is going to come back and huge sell-off now. One of the things too that we can anticipate is our 20 moving average. Take a look at the crossover here just 2 days ago, crossing over 20 moving average, hitting 50 moving average as a resistance, coming back down and retesting this area as a good cushion of support, and then finally broke out yesterday as again continued to become a resistance. So resistance turned into support, turned into resistance, coming down to retest it as an area of support, and that is closer to our area of our fib chart retracement tool at 1283. If we do break through this, then be prepared again for price to come back down to its next retracement level at 1264. So that is my update for Ethereum. Thank you guys again so much for being patient. I'm so happy I can finally talk and produce some of these videos for you. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash that like button to help me out. Also comment down below, but I'll see you guys next time.